Hello. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best greenhouse kits to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Nova Mini Walk-in Greenhouse. The Nova Mini Walk-in Greenhouse is built with high-quality metal frame with powder coating. Durable bearing net on each layer is strong enough to hold more seed trays, pots and plants growth. The clear waterproof pea cover protects plants from frost or pests while allowing nourishing sunlight to pass through. If you believe in the benefits of gardening, you should be thinking of having a super greenhouse that will guard your plants against weather and other constraints. The Nova Greenhouse is waterproof and UV protection, ideal growing environment, can be used indoor and outdoor at all seasons. Perfect for protecting young plants or extending the plant growing season. Features: strong construction, indoor-outdoor greenhouse, portable and easy setup. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Guardman Mini Greenhouse. If you got your spot at a premium, you might be looking for the Guardman Mini Greenhouse. This greenhouse has a lightweight structure and a small footprint that accommodates up to 4 18-inch shelves, best to offer you excellent gardening space. The greenhouse is ideal for homes or small backyards since it takes only a tiny portion of your compound. To strengthen the point, Guardman is the best mini greenhouse in our list that offers you full features comparable with the larger models. It is very dependable in its functions and will provide you with a time extension without any sort of demerits. Guardman is a very portable greenhouse, thus, you can keep shifting it around your backyard. Features: ideal for small backyards or homes. Gives seeds, seedlings, and young plants an early start. Lightweight and portable greenhouse. Coming up next. In third place we have the Home Complete Walk-in Greenhouse. Home Complete is better known as a winter greenhouse kit and very robust for the blustery harsh wet weather and snow fog. The best thing about this house is that it comes with heavy resin frames to withstand the most extreme winters and destructive winds without bending or discoloring either. Many consider the greenhouse as top of the line as the house has a very rocking re-engineering, making it heavy duty. Also, the thick panels, which range from 4 mm to 6 mm, make the house long-lasting and more adaptable to whatever situation. The panels also perform the task of ensuring the greenhouse is 100% free from UV rays. As a home gardener, you would be proud to own such an indispensable DIY greenhouse, at least to showcase your adequate gardening skills. The house is beautiful and much gorgeous, worth to stare the second time. Features: durable shelves, easy assembly, use in all seasons. Now moving to the number 4. Homewell Walk-in Greenhouse. If you are looking for a portable greenhouse from a famous manufacturer, then you should try Homewell. The manufacturer combines reputation and experience to offer one of the best DIY greenhouse kits in the market today. The design of the model is sleekly, highly tested for durability and optimal performance, and an impressive assembly methodology, effortless from start to finish. The trendy design and authentic craftsmanship withstand the ages to come. Homewell Greenhouse comes with medium windows with insect netting that safeguard your plants from insects. The covering element is very sturdy, durable, and has the reinforcement of transparent PE. Besides, the super-coated steel frame is essential to ensure that the entire model is free from rust, cheaping, and occasional peeling. Also, if you are on the sides of a portable yet cold greenhouse, this design is for you. Features: creates an ideal greenhouse environment. Plenty of space and portable. Sturdy design. In the 5th position we have the Pure Garden Greenhouse. This portable greenhouse works out great. It weighed about 20 pounds when packaged, so it was no hard work for truck or grown muscles. Generally, it was very easy to set up. It took less than 10 minutes to raise without the aid of any tool. It was pretty stable with its stakes at the base, so you did not require any other anchors. This greenhouse also provides enough ventilation. It came in handy during winter. It preserved a lot of heat, humidity, and temperature, which helped a lot during winter. This greenhouse is perfect for all seasons usage. This product was accompanied by a lot of hassle-free warranties. It came with a set of visual instructions on how to put it together. With that, there was nothing hard while setting it up. For its affordable price, it's the most decent greenhouse you could ever desire. Features: rust-resistant frame, small footprint, powder-coated steel for durability. Thanks for being with the 5 Best review throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best greenhouse kits. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.